Most people just type one sentence into ChatGPT ... and then wonder why the answer is not optimal. The fact is, there's a good way to make ChatGPT your mentor, business assistant, or even your content creator. Let's check this out. The main issue. First thing is common mistakes made by ChatGPT users. 1. Asking to briefly gives generic results. 2. Not using a role gives Jack's will answer is confusing way. 3. Forgetting to ask for a format gives messy results. Second thing is basic prompting tricks. 1. You need to play role-based prompt. Example, you are a digital marketing expert or a teacher, etc. 2. Explain the context and purpose, your target audience, platform, and style. 3. Nothing perfect. Go step by step. Ask ChatGPT to answer step by step for more detail. For order an output format, table, bullet points, or video script, etc. Comparison of a typical question versus a question with a role and context. The results look much cleaner and more useful. ChatGPT. The right versus wrong way to ask questions. Try to do this so you can see the results. Scene 1. Ineffective. Questions, narration. Take a look at this sample question. Write an article about coffee. ChatGPT does answer, but it's flat, short, and lacks depth. Why? Because the instructions are too general, without clear direction. Scene 2. Effective questions, narration. Now compare that to this question. Write a 500-word article about Arabica coffee. Use casual language, add a brief history, health benefits, and conclude with barista-style brewing tips. Well, this time ChatGPT will absolutely provide a much more complete, structured, and engaging answer. Asterisk, can see the difference now. Great, so the key is simple. ChatGPT is a mirror of your question. The more detailed the instructions, the better the results. For maximum results, use the format topic plus purpose plus style plus text length. That way, ChatGPT can be your super assistant every day. So don't just type randomly into ChatGPT. Use these tricks to get the best results. And if you want to learn more AI tools, P.S. If you still confused ... just play this video again until you know how to use ChatGPT in the best way. And if you want to learn more AI tools, don't forget to subscribe because we upload new content every day.